Holla at me, baby. What's up and what is good, YouTube, man? As y'all can see in live HD, shows with the most Paul Cantu back with a brand new sneaker restoration for you guys. So, as y'all saw in my last trip to the Thrift video, I came across some Jordan 14 lows, the Laney colorway, and they were absolutely disgusting. If y'all didn't see it, take a look.
Look at that. Jordan 14. These are super clean too. Wow, bro. They're so clean they got like soap residue on them. Oh God, gross.
So yeah, asbestos encrusted Jordans, these things have seen their fair share of use and abuse. They have cobwebs on the inside. They're like a spider breeding facility, and today I'm going to restore them. Now the fine folks at Reshoevn8r actually have blessed me with a 25% off flash sale code. So if you guys are in the market for any shoe restoration supplies, such as any soap, any spray, antifungal, antibacterial, if you guys need any brushes or cleaning solution, they have all of that on Reshoevn8r.com. So please, if you guys need anything, check out the link in the description down below. Use my code and bless yourself and restore some thrifted shoes. I got these for $2 and I'm trying to rejuvenate them and bring them back to life in today's video. Strap in, strap on. Let's get into it.
All right, class. So first and foremost, look at the asbestos and anthrax that is all over these kicks. First thing I had to do was evaluate them, and they were disgusting. So I definitely knew I had some work ahead of me. Luckily, I was blessed by Reshoevn8r with the advanced cleaning solution, and also with a creepy cup full of water that I got on my own accord. Now they sent me a collapsible bowl. Look at that, how nifty. So I mixed about half of the cleaning solution with a half and half of water as well. Then I got out a brush, soft bristle to be exact. This is what you guys will need to clean any suede, and it is so soft. Now I lightly dipped that dude in the cleaning concoction and then went to work scrubbing down the shoe in its entirety. Now I am sorry that my shoulder is in the way. Autofocus was tweaking on it, and that's my bad. But I got the suds all over the upper, and then I just had to wipe down all the dirt, dust, and debris. And then basically, man, I rinsed, washed, and repeated, cleaning the upper of the shoe 4 times to make sure all the dirt was gone from the midsole and the uppers. Now I got out a hard bristle brush to scrub down the bottom, making sure any dog shit residue was removed from the bottom surface of these kicks. Then I went ahead and attacked that weird like spiderweb egg stain on the tongue and wiped the shoe down, once again cleaning the midsole. Now what you do on the outside, you got to do on the inside. So again, a lot of wrist work and a lot of scrubbing. Now when I wiped it down, this shoe was looking nice already. But the inside of the shoe, I told y'all, it literally has spider egg sacs and dust bunnies in it. So again, I just squirted that advanced cleaning solution in the bowl, got out a medium bristle brush and scrubbed the hell out of the insoles. That's right, baby. No foot fungus for me. No athlete's foot, no nothing. These are crispy and clean. Now I also did pour more water in the cleaning solution, and I cleaned the laces with this concoction as well. Look at that, quick hands, daddy. Oh. Then I cleaned the inside of the shoe, removing any foot fungal infestation that may be present. And that basically is all there is to it when you're riding a Buick when cleaning these kicks. So I just wiped the inside down as well, had it looking nice and sexy, and I got out some antibacterial, nice odorlicious spray to make sure the kicks smell good. And then I just threw in all the laces, as y'all can see. And lacing shoes is a bitch, bro, but hey, it's worth it for you guys. Trust and believe in the Lord, and trust and believe that, kids. Hell yeah. And without further ado, here are the shoes on feet, baby. I love the way they came out, and they felt so good on, and they looked absolutely immaculate. Fuck with your boy.